Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we disable our auto brightness in our Tecno phone guys. So friends, how to disable guys our auto brightness in our Tecno mobile. In this video I will show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to or disable auto brightness. Then guys we will on our phone setting, and as you can see this type of setting guys, scroll it friends. So as you can see display and brightness setting friends, tap here guys, and as you can see guys your adaptive brightness guys, auto brightness guys, tap here, and guys right side you can see this icon guys, in your auto brightness enable guys, you want to disable, you can disable from here. So friends, your auto brightness will disable in your Tecno phone, and guys you don't need to guys increase and decrease guys. You can customize your self guys your brightness setting guys. Your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic guys when you will go outside and guys when you will come inside. So like that guys, you can disable your auto brightness in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching guys.